know that there is music called opera? The word is opera. It's true. There is opera music. Also, there is a movie called The Sound of Music. And it is really good. It has a lot of good songs in it. And it's a true story about some kids that went over a big mountain with their family to get away from being really like being killed. But they learned to sing and they really became famous singers. Yep, that's the movie The Sound of Music. It is not opera, but it has a lot of good songs on it. But opera music is beautiful. That's all for now. Just a little bit about music. Goodbye.